Boost your English comprehension, mastering active listening. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into an essential part of our listening comprehension strategies, practicing active listening in various contexts. By mastering active listening, you'll greatly enhance your English comprehension, especially when you're faced with academic lectures or presentations. First and foremost, let's define what active listening really is. It's not just about hearing the words that are spoken, it's about understanding the message, processing the information, and engaging with the speaker. This involves several steps such as giving feedback, summarizing what's been said, and asking questions for clarity. This engagement is what separates active listening from passive listening, and it's the key to improving your English comprehension skills. When it comes to academic contexts like lectures or presentations, active listening becomes even more crucial. Lecturers often provide a wealth of information in a short period of time, and it's your responsibility to actively engage with the material. But how exactly do you do this? 1. Predict and prepare. Before the lecture or presentation, try to predict the topic and prepare some knowledge about it. It helps to familiarize yourself with the subject matter. 2. Note-taking. Write down the main points, not word-for-word transcription. This forces you to process what you're hearing in real time and distill the most important parts. 3. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if something isn't clear. It shows that you're engaged and willing to understand fully. 4. Summarize and review. After the lecture, summarize the content in your own words and review your notes. This helps cement your understanding and recall of the topic. While we've focused on academic settings, active listening is also important in everyday conversations, meetings, interviews, and more. In fact, improving your active listening skills in casual contexts can also enhance your performance in more formal academic situations. The main rule here is to stay engaged, provide feedback, and show that you're interested in what the other person is saying. This can be through verbal affirmations like, "I see," or "That's interesting," or through nonverbal cues like nodding and maintaining eye contact. In conclusion, practicing active listening in various contexts is not just about becoming a better English learner, it's about becoming a better communicator in general. It's about understanding, engaging, and responding thoughtfully, whether in academic lectures, presentations, or everyday conversations. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to see improvements. Happy learning!